Good morning, friends. We are in Tennessee and have just made it to the 1850s Interpretive Center, I think is what it's called.
Living History Farm.
It's like a living history farm, which you guys might know that we really like those. We've already done 2 of them, but the last one we went to actually wasn't even doing anything because of the Rona. So, but I think this one's in full force, and so we're gonna go check it out and of course take you guys with us.
Well, look what I found here. My 6th great grandpa was inaugurated as the 12th president of the United States.
In 1849. You're famous.
Practically.
The shop and visitor center, super cute. And so we just stepped outside. So let's go see what we can see. Oh, look, that says broom corn.
Oh,
Remember,
yeah. So you have to get a specific type of corn in order to make brooms from it.
Yeah. So we did a video recently, I'll go ahead and link that for you in case you haven't seen it, of the Craftsman Festival at Silver Dollar City. And there was a lady there that was making brooms, and she said you use broom corn, which I'd never heard of.
Yeah.
So that was really cool to see her do that and explain that. And so this is broom corn out here. Oh, cool. The kids can play with the toys. They're fun. But I know what this is. This is a yoke, right? Like, take my yoke upon you kind of scripture. Did you see this baby swing? Ooh, look at this tin punch. Oh, look how they made the mop. The corn, is that corn husk maybe? Something's punched through the holes in the bottom, creating a scrubby on the bottom. So cool. Oh, there's more tin punch over there on that thing.
Suppose this is the kitchen area?
Yeah.
They would keep separate from the rest of the house because it would be too hot.
Hot, yeah. Be nice in the winter though, wouldn't it? Huh?
This whole house was being used when I was alive.
Oh, really?
Yeah, up until 1965, this house was being used.
This is called a rigid heddle loom. This is the heddle, and it has a couple of different jobs. First of all, the warp thread is that white thread that is tied on back here, goes all the way through and is tied on in there. It goes through either a hole or a slot, and the warp threads that are in the holes are the ones that move.
Oh.
So that's going to help change the weaving pattern, and it kind of ties it together. Okay, so that's every row has to be opposite. So now I'm going to put, I haven't added all those on yet, but this is my shuttle. And I'm going to put my fabric on the shuttle. And I'm going to pass it through that opening there. That opening is called a shed. Let's see, I've got a few that are not tight, and so I'm going to have to start watching. Otherwise I'll make a mistake and I'll have to take it back out. Okay, so I'm going to get that even.
Oh, I thought you had to thread it in and out and in and out and in and out. But by sending it through
it's
here,
open. Yes, the heddle does that work.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to also use it as a beater bar and beat that down. And now I'm going to move it up here, and then I'll put it through again.
The string that was on bottom is now on top.
Exactly. So now I'm going to put that through. Whoops. It's almost too short to put through here. Okay. And then I'm going to make it even. I don't want to pull it too tight because the weaving will start going in like that, and that just is it's bad workmanship, craftsmanship, I guess.
And you guys have products in the shop, don't you, that you guys make out here, or?
A lot of the everything that we make out here, we use it on the farm again, or we put it in the gift shop.
They might want to try again on this laundry. I'm not sure who was doing laundry, but I do think it's kind of funny when you see those old westerns and the ladies in their gorgeous little perfectly pristine dresses, and I'm like, I'm thinking the bottom of their dresses probably look a little more like that.
Probably.
I look out across the water.
Oh, look at all the walnuts on the walnut tree.
I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling.
You guys, this place is so
of
cool.
my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gone.
It's kind of a Little House on the Prairies, you know, like shape.
But I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reaper's Fork,
This is the chicken, I think, or the rooster that's causing all the ruckus.
maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling.
So not only do we love the living history farms, but we especially love them in the fall. I don't know why. Aren't they just best in the fall? Actually, probably 3 weeks from now even would be like way better.
Yeah, it'd be amazing.
Because it's not, obviously we haven't turned colors yet very much, just a few. But it's cooler and it's just, I like it in the fall. What?
See the smoke?
What are they doing?
They're curing their tobacco.
They're curing tobacco right now?
Yeah.
I can smell it.
See it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see the smoke coming out. Cool. I think it's funny that we've got all of this, you know, they've done such a great job of really
Recreating it.
But it is funny. I mean, you have to be real, right? So hidden behind this tree over here is a bright red fire extinguisher. Oh, a cute little pig. Hi, buddy. Oh, there's another one. Hi. You're so cute. I like your face. I like your face. They're cute.
And this could be important for what we'd be doing later on today, so keep that in mind.
What, eating lunch?
You'll see.
I'll see. Is it going to be a surprise later? What are you talking about?
It's going to be a surprise later.
Oh, that looks good.
What do you have there?
Barbecue sandwich. Have to decide if I want to put barbecue on it.
Where are we at?
We're in Cadiz, Kentucky at the Ham Festival, right? Ham Festival.
A local told us about it, and we thought, what the heck, we'll check it out. We had no idea it was this big.
Yeah. Let's go find a spot to eat. I think they did the easy work for you though. So they just give you the boards and how fun for kids.
That was cool.
Yeah. This place is super kid friendly, I've
Yeah, it
noticed. And I've noticed.
Beehive over there.
Yeah, oh yeah. I'm sure that's a beehive. Cool. I mean, I think, yeah.
Let's walk over there.
Anyway, I think it's super kid friendly, and not only is just, I don't know, the farm kid friendly, but I have found the employees to be super kid friendly
Yeah, they are.
as well. Yeah. Oh, if that is a beehive, it's a bummer because there's a wasp there, and wasps are not good for bees. Good news, it's not a beehive. We lost some bees in our beehive to wasp. And something that, what was?
Wax moth.
Oh, a wax moth messed up our beehive, but we got some really good honey first.
Yeah.
That was really good
Best
honey.
I've ever had.
We noticed on their schedule there was actually some like scheduled homeschool activities here. So that's cool. This journey with us to the Living History Farms. Make sure you subscribe and give it a great big thumbs up. That really helps us out. And until next week, this is Grassroots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you. We'll catch you next time.
Peace out. Look, it's a heart-shaped truck. Aww. Babe, look how cute.
Saw how adorable that was.
Aw. Do you think it's okay if I keep it?
Yeah.
Aw. It's a sign
It's a sign, yeah.
that you love me.
That's right. No doubt about it. It's a sign.